So first look at the phone on the front. Not sure if it's the actual size of what the phone's going to be, but say one of the new live wallpapers, I think they are. So we'll just do the unboxing. Whoops, just knocking the tripod, sorry about that. So lift off the box. So the familiar designed by Apple in California packaging. So I'm guessing in there we'll have our usual paperwork, small print, which really does anybody actually read or not, I don't know. Our Apple stickers, and of course it wouldn't be an unboxing if we didn't have Apple stickers. Got our quick guide that walks you through the Face ID and gestures. That's on the iPhones. Our SIM card ejector tool. So I'll just put all them to one side. So first look at the iPhone XS Max. First impressions in the hand, it feels very much like a plus sized iPhone, albeit maybe not as unwielding, but yeah. But I'm so glad I went with the silver colour this time, because I was finding this space grey that I had, you know, there's nothing wrong with the colour of it, didn't wear or chip off or anything like that, but I just found that the colour was just a little bit drab in comparison to this, so I decided this time to go with this colour, and I'm so glad I did, because it looks absolutely stunning. And just a bit lost for words with that screen. It's it looks absolutely huge in comparison to the iPhone X that I've got. Now, one thing I did miss with the iPhone X compared to me plus-sized iPhones that I had previously was the extra screen width. Now, the iPhone X screen is narrower than a plus-sized iPhone screen, and obviously with these max-sized iPhone Xs now, that's going to be all remedied. So you're basically going to have a plus-size width phone screen in these models. And another thing I did miss as well with the reduced width that you got on the iPhone X screen was I was finding that the keyboard width and the actual size of the keys was smaller than what they were on the plus-sized iPhones, and I was finding that typing on the iPhone X I was hitting the wrong key more often than I used to with the plus-sized iPhones. So it's enough of me rabbiting on. So we'll just move that box to one side, and we'll do the cannot beat that sound. So there we go, that's the first look at the screen, and the screen looks absolutely huge, and I'm so looking forward to using this. Looks absolutely stunning in the silver. It'd be a perfect match for the stainless steel Apple Watch as well, if you've got one of them, if you want to match up. So what I'll do, I'll just switch it on and then we can get the first look at this gigantic 6.5-inch screen. So there we have it. Phone to one side and we'll have a look at the rest of the accessories. So got the earpods, but this year Apple have not included the little 3.5 to lightning dongle. They've likely thought it's long enough for people to get used with losing the 3.5mm jack. And you can easily use the lightning connector, or you can go Bluetooth. Personally, I've went Bluetooth a long time ago, and I've never looked back, and I've never missed the 3.5 jack. So they're the earphones. The 1 meter USB to a lightning cable. Bit greedy, to be honest. A 1 meter cable, I think it could be at least 1.5 meters. Come on, Apple, don't be so greedy. And then we've got the power adapter. And again, Apple, why bundle a 5-watt adapter in a product of this price? Come on, you know, at least give people a fast charger. You know, it's so greedy. Really, really grates on my nerves why they're still bundling these woefully inadequate 5-watt chargers with them. But anyhow, that's enough of my rant. So, yeah, that's the unboxing. There's the phone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Also, if you do subscribe, you'll receive notifications and emails when I upload any new videos. So thanks again for watching.
I picked this up from the Apple store yesterday. I didn't get it shipped because it probably would have taken a couple more days, and I just wanted it yesterday. So let's get the unboxing. Tab right here, and just like that, you pull that out, and that's it for the box. And here's the case. Let me pull it out so you guys can see it better. Alright, so I'll put the case to the side right now. And as here you have the instructions. So when I did pull out the case, it did feel a little bendy or flexible right here, but with this picture you can clearly see that it was meant to flex down in order to slide your phone right in. You have the two markers right there. You have the one that says push it down in, and then you have the one that says flex it down. So you're supposed to do both at the same time. Is there any other paperwork inside of the box? I believe not. Just a bunch of like info and warranty, I guess, stuff like that. There is no stickers included or Apple Lightning connector, so yeah, so you're getting less stuff with this one than previous Apple products. Let me just, there we go. And inside, is there anything else? No, that is it. So that is all that comes in the box. I'll put it right back down. I like to keep these boxes, I don't know why. Slide it back in there. Bring my phone out so you guys can see. Alright, I got my iPhone XS Max here. And I have the case right here, so let me try doing these two at the same time. I'm very glad for that, and yeah, so if you have money to burn, you're a power user, then go ahead and buy this one. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. But if you're not such a power user, you barely use it for a day, I feel like you can go without having to purchase this case and save some money and just buy like a $30 power bank and you'll be set. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video, probably in a day or two. And thank you guys for all the love and support. We're on 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.